Hey everyone, welcome back to Wheel Income. I'm Alex, sharing my personal journey with options trading. So quick reminder, this is not financial advice, just what I'm doing with my own account. Over the past couple of weeks I've been adding lump sums into my trading account. The balance is now about $9,000. So from here my goal is to generate weekly income using the wheel strategy. For this week's trades, I've got forward with a $12 put, 2 contracts, collected $60 premium, so that's about a 2.5% return this week. Intel, $23 put, 1 contract, collected $10 premium, that is about 0.4% return. AT&T, $29 put, 1 contract, collecting $11 in premium. That is about a 0.38% return. In total, I bought in about $81 for this week, which works out to be around 1.1% average return across my trades. One thing I noticed is how important collateral discipline is. It's not about taking every trade, it's about protecting your capital and picking up the trades that fit your plan. I passed on a few tempting puts this week because the assignment risk was just too high. Next week, I'll be looking at scaling slowly, maybe running 2 or 3 positions at once, and I will share how that compounds over time. So, thanks for watching. Remember, this is not financial advice, it's just my personal journey. Follow Wheel Income for more updates.